Good morning, everybody. Sorry I didn't come on here earlier. The time is 10:20. Miss Charlotte is taking her first nap for the day. I just got done editing my bling video, you guys. I have two problems. First, the video was over an hour long and I got it down to like 29 minutes. And I have a problem with saying you guys. Okay, you guys. Okay, you guys. Like, I did not realize I say that. It's just a habit. There's like from doing YouTube for 5 years, and you know, I know some of you guys have mentioned it, but when you do the same thing all the time, constantly, you just get in a habit of saying stuff. And that's one thing that I always get in a habit is, okay, you guys, okay, you guys. So I'm like, oh my gosh. So I had to like delete about at least 15 times of it. And then I tried catching a little bit more, but it was just like, I have a problem. So I finally have that edited, and now it's uploading on YouTube right now. So I'm going to post it, which I'm so happy I posted it, or I got the video finished yesterday, because there's no sun out. It's all cloudy. It looks like it's gonna rain. Last night the sun was out and it just made the cup perfect. So you guys definitely want to check that out. It's just so pretty. And I'm making more, you guys. I am making more. I came up here to get dressed. I'm gonna take a shower. Funny thing is, Graham and Ben were outside playing, and I was editing my video, and Graham's like, man, I can't believe how fast it gets messy in here. I'm like, really? I'm like, Graham. He's like, nope, shut up. I'm like, he just proved my point of what I go through in a day, that I constantly pick up the same thing, the same thing, the same thing. And he just said, I can't believe how messy it gets that fast. It just totally made my day, you guys. Like, he finally understands what I go through. But last night we did carry the toy box upstairs. It's in Ben's room. I gotta bring a couple more toys up and put it in his room. I'm gonna probably grab a couple more Charlotte's toys and put them in her room. And then I'm gonna take the Legos away. I've had it with Legos, so we're gonna take those away so he can, I'm gonna hide them in his closet and he can play with those another time. And then I told Graham I want to get a couple things for sale, so we're going to do that. I also got to go to Best Buy to go get my movie that I bought that somehow they haven't picked. It hasn't been, you know, ready to be picked up yet, so I got to go to there and do something. I'll just pay for it in the store. I'm totally fine with that. So that is how my day is going, you guys. But I am so happy that Graham finally realizes what I go through in a day, and he did not want to admit it. He had like a slight smirk on his face, but he was trying to keep a straight face because he knows, he finally understands what I go through in a day. Because last night when he got home, the place was good, and then stuff's all over the place. So that just makes my day, you guys. Makes my day. So I'm gonna take a shower. I don't even know if I mentioned this, you guys, but I just said it. I don't know if I mentioned this, but I am so used to not wearing makeup lately. Like, before I would always wear makeup. Like, I just felt so weird not wearing makeup. Anytime we went anywhere, I had to put makeup on. The only time I would not put makeup on is if I was absolutely doing nothing. No videos or anything. I felt like in my videos, I had to always wear makeup. I mean, if I'm doing a ton of videos, like now, I'll put makeup on like in one day, but if I'm just doing like one video, not even worth it. But it's, to me, I finally realized that I don't need to wear makeup every single day. Like, this is what I look like. I have like dark circles around my eyes, my eyebrows are blonde, and I have freckles all face. I am a total freckle face person. Usually in the summertime you can really see my freckles, but I mean, I got freckles everywhere. I'm just a freckle face kind of girl. But like, my husband didn't realize that I had freckles for a long time because he was so used to me wearing makeup all the time. So, but I'm finally getting, you know, used to not wearing makeup. I'm finally getting used to going into public without makeup on. I felt like so ugly in the past, you know, and I got picked on as a kid. So like, to me, I felt like makeup made me prettier. It made me, you know, more confident in myself. And lately, you know what, with the whole pandemic, it's like, you know what, I don't really care. You know, I think I look fine. I mean, sometimes I'll just put some stuff on my eyes just to make it look a little bit better. But I've gotten to the point where I actually feel very comfortable not wearing makeup in public now, you guys. And I started again. But I'm just, you know, getting used to it. I'm feeling happy. I'm just ready to look like crap in the public. So that is what I'm going through. So I'm going to shut up, you guys. Dang it, I said it again. But I'm going to take a shower and get dressed and let's have some fun for the day. Okay, you guys. So I am at, well, obviously we're still at my house. Ben wanted to come with me, so we're just gonna run to Best Buy, and Kohl's is right next door. So we're gonna go there. I have $5 Kohl's cash that I'm just gonna use. I'm probably just gonna get some shorts for Charlotte or something. But that's what I'm gonna do. Is get in the van, honey. That's what we're gonna do, is just quickly just go there and then hang out for the rest of the day. I'm gonna find my keys. Did I leave them in the bag? I lost my keys. Oh, I gotta go find them. So, Benjamin, how are you today?
Good.
Yeah, so we're at Kohl's, if you guys can kind of see in the background, and then we got Best Buy right there. I'm just gonna get something that's worth $5. That's just, I don't need anything. I just want to get something that's $5.
We've never been in that store.
Yeah, I've been in that store 100 times. I just don't shop at Best Buy anymore, but I'm ready to do a little bit.
I've never been there.
You've been there when you were a little kid.
I never been there until it's big.
Oh, okay. So we'll catch you guys. We just went swimming in our pool. Probably out there for maybe an hour. I don't know. Back off, honey. So we're coming inside to drive because our neighbor decided to mow the lawn, and it's not really relaxing when you got the lawnmower right next to you. So yes, we're gonna get our clothes back on, and then we're gonna probably watch Trolls.
Your Trolls, till we just bought it today.
I gotta spray paint something.
It was very good, and I got 5 below candy.
Yeah, so I'm gonna spray paint something and I'll catch you guys. Back it is 2:48, so the day is still young and
hey,
I'm
you guys!
It is 5:30 on the dot, and I'm actually just, Grandma's down here getting some stuff, and then I just kind of started doing stuff because Charlotte was taking a nap, and then she woke up from her nap, but I wanted to finish stuff, so I kind of just been organizing and putting things away. I'm working on my craft area. It might not look like much, but I am getting some of it done, you guys. Like, yes! So I'm just trying to figure out what I could do. I'm starting to move all my vinyl in one spot, but that's just what I'm doing. I'm just kind of, oh my god, there's a chipmunk. Look at you guys. Oh my goodness, look at it. He's like, let me in. Let me in. That is so cute. Oh my goodness. Now super zoom. Dun dun dun. That was awesome, you guys. I'm like, what the heck is that? There's a little chipmunk. So yeah, I'm just kind of organizing stuff. I have a whole box of cardboard to get rid of. I am gonna get rid of some of this, you guys, but I am. Don't worry, I got this. I got this. I do have a spot in the storage room that I'm gonna try to put it in once I get everything kind of cleared out of there. But you know, there's a little bit of stuff here and there, but I am working on it. I am working on it. So that's how my day is going. Yeah, I haven't done a lot of stuff that I said I was going to do, but that's fine. I'm getting things here and there. I have emptied 2 boxes down here, so even if I don't do much, even if I empty a box a day, I feel like I got stuff done. So I'm gonna continue working down here for like about 10 more minutes, and then we're probably gonna get some dinner or something. I don't know what we're gonna do. But yeah, and I also have to get more of my Funko Pops on my shelf. Yes, I need to do that too. But I'm just gonna continue working down here, and I'll put you guys back. Can you say hi? You guys, it is 8:15, and I just said you guys. We are just chilling right now. Graham and Ben are playing ball in the house. I started picking up all the Legos, and I'm gonna put them away for a while. So yeah. I started changing Charlotte back on the changing table. She's still kind of iffy on it. She likes to rock on it, and it's just like, no, you can't do that. But I am gonna start working on my Walgreens and CVS stuff right now, and then hopefully I can be done, and Graham and I can watch Unsolved Mysteries on Netflix. We watched he kind of watched the first episode with me when I started watching it. And then he watched the second episode with me last night. And so now we're going to watch the third episode. So kind of liking it, yeah. Oh, I didn't share with you guys what I got it. I went to Kohl's today. Yeah, obviously you know that. And I got my movie. We watched it twice already, or Ben watched it, had it on. He doesn't sit. When I say like movies for the kids, they don't sit there the whole entire time and watch it. But I had $5 of Kohl's cash to use, and then I had a 20% off coupon that I used. So I ended up paying $3.05 for this stuff, and I got, it was 5 items? Oh, I thought I got 6. Okay, so I ended up getting a pair of these leggings. They're 18 months, $3, and then, you know, 20% of that. And then I also got a pair of some red leggings with some ruffles on the butt. This was on clearance for $2.40. This is 24 months. I got her these, I guess I did get 5. I got her these like little heart confetti things. These were on clearance for $3, and it's 24 months. Ooh, can I see that? Can I see that? Oh, thank you, thank you. You guys, I got some black glitter leggings. These are 18 months, and they were $3. Like, yeah. So cute. Thank you. And then, did I get 6 items? Yeah, I got 6 items. And then I got a pair of other leggings for $2.40. These are 24 months. So I'm like, you can't go wrong with just basic leggings for that price. Okay. And then I got another pair of leggings. I think these are 24 months also, for $2.40. Like, that's how I shop. I always use coupons. I always do that, you know. I love to save money. And one thing I like is leggings for her. And she just took 4 pairs. She's walking around the house with them. So, funny thing is, she took my phone from me a little bit ago. And I was at the table. And I said, Charlotte, can you find my phone and bring it to me? So she like comes over here, grabs it, and gives it to me. And I'm like, that's awesome. And then I gave her a piece of garbage at my desk, and I says, can you throw this away? And she took it, and she went to the garbage bin and threw it away. You are so good, aren't you? So good. Yes. So, yeah? Yeah, so tomorrow's Sunday. I'm going to do couponing. I'm not sure what else we're going to do. I didn't get as much stuff done that I wanted today, but I did go shopping. And second of all, I worked in the basement some more. So after I filmed, I spent like maybe 15 minutes down there. So a little bit and a little bit and a little bit. I'm actually proud because I'm kind of figuring out how I want to have my crafts and everything. So that is awesome. I'm going to shut up now and let you guys go. I will see you bright and early tomorrow for couponing, you guys. So let's get ready for shopping. And please, I got to get in my head. You guys, we got to stop you guys. Okay?